Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, December 27, 2023. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result from Mandawi City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for December 27, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Wednesday, December 27, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.